Ooh, look at that refrigerator. Isn't it just lovely? Black pantry door, black pantry door, black pantry pull-out, black basement door, white refrigerator. Something does not belong. Hey boys and girls, can you guess which item does not belong? Let's look at them again. Black pantry door, black pantry door, black basement door, black pull-out pantry, white refrigerator. Welcome to my channel. My name is Bernetta and I am the Bougie Cheapskate. We're doing a DIY today. Can you guess what we're going to do? I know, boys and girls. You're right. You're so smart. The white refrigerator does not go. So we have to paint it black. Shocking, right? Have I ever painted a refrigerator before? No. My first thought from looking at all you other YouTube subscribers, content creators, was to do chalkboard paint. And honestly, I have no intention on writing on it. That's adorable in some kitchens. That would drive me crazy. That chalky whatever, that would not work for you, girl. So when I went to Lowe's, I told the gentleman I was going to get the chalk paint. I just wasn't going to buy no chalk. And the gentleman said, "You don't want chalk paint? You'll never be able to clean it." And you know your girl does cleaning videos. How I'm going to have a refrigerator that I can't clean? Won't work for me. So he suggested, and I hope this is not crazy blurry, my house is torn up because I'm trying to knock these DIY projects out for y'all. But what he suggested I do is to clean the refrigerator with the Easy Liquid Sander Deglosser. Take some of that shine and that, residue. Well, it's not residue, but take that film off so that the paint can adhere. And then he suggested this. Can you see that? This is a Rust-Oleum product, professional product, high performance protective enamel. It is oil based. I've never used anything oil-based because it's difficult to clean up. So he said, take your time, use very thin coats, do not let it drip anywhere, put down drop cloths. If you know your girl, it's going to be a trash bag. Okay, and I got semi-gloss black so that it will match all of its surroundings and won't stand out in my videos. Because I don't know if it bothers you the way it bothers me, but every time I'm in my kitchen and I see that white refrigerator and I watch those videos back, my face looks like that. Because I don't like that refrigerator. Look at it. It's right there. You see it? Just standing all out, drawing attention to itself, trying to steal my spotlight. You know what I'm saying. So we gonna blend it in, but y'all know my other appliances are white and they're gonna stay white. Where they do that at my house. Anyway, on to the project. I will come back on here and discuss how I'm feeling. I don't know if y'all really want to watch me roller paint a refrigerator, but I'll definitely come on and discuss between each. I'll clean it with the deglosser, put on my first coat, give you a let you see what it looks like after one coat. It's gonna be splotchy, it's not gonna be smooth. That's why you always have to do multiple coats. Mr. Lowe's man said he could do it in 2, but I'll probably need 3. But you know what, that's all right. I know I'm not a professional. I've only painted one door before in my life, and that was my front door, and that was earlier today. So if it takes me 3 coats, it's okay. It's okay. But as y'all know, these are not tutorials. This is my real life, me doing my real thing. So if you can't learn from what I do right, learn what not to do from my mistakes. Anyway, I'll be back. Alright, I have sanded with the liquid sander. Wanted to show y'all my protective gear. Yes, if I had some assistance, I would have given a OOTD. There we go. Outfit of the day. This is what I'm working with. I got pink dishwashing gloves from Dollar Tree, eye protection left over from a previous occupant, and that's it. Basically, the sanding, the glosser is a corrosive, so in order to get that finish off, it has to be very strong. So you need to protect your eyes from splashing and protect your hands just in case you accidentally drip or get something on yourself. The warning label is serious. Scared my son to death. He left me and went in the room. Oh, I ain't have nothing to do with that stuff, Mom. But anyway, I have deglossed it, and it don't look no different to y'all, I'm sure. But for me, I can see like it just look dry. Refrigerator look real dry. Don't have no moisture, no gloss. I'll be back. I figured just get it done. Paint the doors, do the refrigerator. You don't know about painting my doors? Check out my former video, which I did a DIY on my front and my side door. I changed the color of those all by myself. My first DIY painting project ever. Yeah, check it out. Be sure to subscribe in order to join the tribe. Hit your notification bell so that you can. I got my TV so loud, y'all. I hope I don't have to redo all this. But anyway, that's it. Subscribe, join the tribe, ring the bell, get notified of all my stuff that I have coming up in the future. I'll bring you back for the next thing, and I'll turn the TV off when I do. Hey, y'all. Wait till you see the first coat in your face. Can y'all see me? In your face, Lowe's man, with your I can do it in 2 coats. Wait till you see. Wait till you. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna take y'all to the front door, cause you know how I used to just be like, bam, white refrigerator. Here we go. Don't talk about me. I know y'all gonna say you ain't paint the whole refrigerator. I ain't gonna paint the whole refrigerator, cause when it's fully inserted, only 5 inches show, and I made sure. Can y'all see me while I'm talking to you? I made sure I went past the 5-inch mark so that once it's fully inserted, you won't see any white. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. Here we go. Y'all at the front door. You walk in, you see it, oh, my mess. And then as you pan around, you hit the French door, nice and black. Bam! Woo! Woo! Where they do that at? I don't see white refrigerator. What white refrigerator? Oh, did it not disappear? Did it not disappear? One coat. That's the first coat, ladies. That is the first coat. Look at that shine. You see that shine on that refrigerator? Thanks, Mr. Lowe's man, for telling me to do the oil-based enamel instead of that old chalky, even though the chalk paint, I don't know, chalk paint might have looked better with that right there. But it's still wet. It's going to dry a little less shiny. But are y'all loving it? Wait till I paint that right there. Get rid of that brown. Once I get rid of that brown, them 70 colors gonna be out of here. Even though I did that, y'all, 6 years ago. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I'm in love. I'm in love. I am so happy. Okay, I have to fully let it dry. And then once it's dry, I will put on my second. I'm jittery and all over the place. But y'all see all that mess? Cleaning video to come. But once it's fully dried, I'm going to put on that last coat. Slide it back into place after it's dry. And then y'all will see the absolute final reveal. And I have another project coming for y'all that's in that same area. Please subscribe, join the tribe, ring the bell. That's what I say. Ring the bell for notifications so that you can see that new project. Go back, look at the doors. I told you I did my doors. Go back and check them out. Stay a while. Visit some of my other things that I put out there. You know, get to know me. Get to know me. I want to know you too. Comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel. Tell me if you painted your refrigerator. And if you did, what color? Excuse me. If you did, what color? Did you do chalk paint? Did you love it? Were you able to clean it? Was my Mr. Lowe's man wrong? Is it perfectly cleanable? Let me know in the comments below. Share this video with everyone you know, especially those folks with an old refrigerator that they hate, that they talk about, that they want stainless steel so bad. Y'all see that? For less than $25 and some paint and some supplies, your girl is smiling again. Less than $25. I didn't have to wait for the stainless steel. Didn't have to wait for it. DIY. Blended it in with the cabinetry. I'm so clever. I'll be back though. Hello everyone. It's been a few days and I just wanted to show y'all the end of my refrigerator makeover project and also share with you what I typically eat for breakfast. This is my go-to ultra simple breakfast that consists of granola. This is Simply Granola by Quaker and it has 32 grams of whole grains per serving. A serving is a half a cup. And if you hear little voices in the background, my mini tenants have decided to park themselves on the steps right outside my kitchen door. And that's where they're having their little tete-a-tete, as you say. It's two little sisters. But anyway, Activia yogurt. Gotta get those probiotics. Usually I'll use this or perhaps a Greek yogurt. Today I'm using a peach flavor. Flavor really doesn't matter. a bowl, and a spoon. What? Different, right? Years ago, I was working and I had a team leader. She ate this for breakfast every morning. And you know, so she would mix up her yogurt and her granola. And I was just like, what in the world? Because you know, I'm a cereal eater. So, you know, cereal, you're supposed to have some milk. And she would mix this up, put in a bowl, and put in her granola. And I would just be like, and she would go to town every morning. She would walk around, do her rounds in the morning. How's everybody doing? What you got planned for the day? This is what I want you to do. This is what you know, what's on your agenda, blah, 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 blah. And she'd be crunching this granola, crunching her granola, or crunching her breakfast cereal, put it that way. And, you know, you see that every day. If you like me, eventually you're going to try it. Okay? Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Delicious, simple. You don't have to worry about spilling milk everywhere. And, you know, get you a high fiber cereal. Whole grains, very healthy. I love granola. I love granola, particularly if it has dried fruits and nuts and honey or almond. I don't know. This is what it looks like. I don't know. It ain't appetizing looking, but it tastes great. And lastly, I just wanted to say, do you notice anything staging me up? Trying to steal my thunder? Clashing with my wardrobe? No? How you like that? Black fridge. Fades in the background. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all know I be watching too much YouTube. But it has faded into the background. Thanks to one can of enamel, black enamel instead of the chalk paint, and one bottle of sanding grout. I showed those to you earlier in the video. But yes, oh, and some paintbrushes and all that kind of jazz. But see, your girl is not crazy. Did exactly what I needed it to do. Now I have a background for my videos where I can stand here and cook and prepare and do a little something for y'all. You feel good. Makes you feel good. Anyway, subscribe to join the tribe. Comment below. Tell me how fabulous my project turned out. Also, let me know if you painted your refrigerator. I think I asked y'all to do that earlier. It's been a couple of days. And if you so, what color did you paint your refrigerator? And how did it turn out? And what did people say about what you did? I think that's about it. Subscribe, ring my bell, comment below, share this video with anyone that you know who's having some kitchen struggles and, you know, they got to work with what they got. Grateful to work with what they have, because I had a working refrigerator, wasn't nothing wrong with it. So, you know, but I just needed it to fade in the background. All right, till next time, be blessed.